Welcome back to Tech Talk Trove. In our last video, we covered Python functions and how they can be used to make our code more modular. Today, we're diving into advanced Python concepts to further enhance your programming skills. In this video, we'll explore object-oriented programming, OOP, error handling, and other advanced Python topics. By the end, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of these concepts and how to apply them in your projects. OOP is a programming paradigm based on the concept of objects, which can contain data, attributes, and methods, functions. OOP helps in organizing code, making it more modular, reusable, and easier to maintain. Classes are blueprints for creating objects. They encapsulate data and functions that operate on the data. Use the class keyword to define a class. This example defines a person class with an init method that initializes the name and age attributes. The greet method logs a greeting message to the console. We create an instance of the person class named John and call the greet method on it. The init method is a special method called when an instance of the class is created. Inheritance allows one class to inherit the properties and methods of another class. This promotes code reuse and establishes a natural hierarchy among classes. In this example, the animal class has a speak method that logs a generic sound message. The dog class inherits from animal and overrides the speak method to log a barking message. The super function can be used to call methods from the parent class. We create an instance of the dog class named Rex and call the speak method on it, demonstrating how inheritance allows us to create more specific classes based on general ones. Encapsulation restricts access to certain components of an object, protecting its internal state and ensuring it is modified only in a controlled manner. Private attributes in Python are indicated by a double underscore prefix. This example defines a counter class with a private attribute $count. The increment method increases the count, and the getCount method returns the current count. Private attributes ensure that the internal state of an object is protected and can only be accessed and modified through public methods. Error handling is crucial for creating robust programs that can handle unexpected situations gracefully. It helps in diagnosing and fixing issues without crashing the program. The try except block allows you to catch and handle exceptions. The code that might raise an exception is placed inside the try block, and the code to handle the exception is placed inside the except block. This example defines a divide function that attempts to divide two numbers. If a zero division error occurs when dividing by zero, it returns a custom error message. The try block contains the code that might raise an exception, and the except block handles the specific exception. You can create your own exceptions by defining a class that inherits from the built-in exception class. This example defines a custom exception, negative number error. The check positive function raises this exception if the input number is negative. The try block calls this function, and the except block catches and handles the custom exception. This allows for more specific error handling tailored to your application's needs. Decorators allow you to modify the behavior of a function or class. They are useful for logging, access control, instrumentation, and more. This example defines a myDecorator function that takes a function as an argument and returns a wrapper function. The wrapper adds behavior before and after calling the original function. The myDecorator syntax applies the decorator to the sayHello function. When sayHello is called, it prints additional messages before and after printing hello. Decorators are a powerful tool for extending the behavior of functions in a clean and readable way. Today, we explored advanced Python concepts including object-oriented programming, error handling, decorators, and context managers. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into topics such as object-oriented programming, error handling in Python, and more. Make sure to subscribe to Tech Talk Trove and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it.